Hey my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. For today's video, we are checking out this high-powered, pretty awesome vacuum kit. So we got this for our vehicle. You guys can use this for many different applications, but we're gonna keep this in our vehicle at all times. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So they give you a manual. Everything comes nice and packaged inside. Looks like you get a spare filter, a vacuum carrying bag. That is awesome. We definitely want that for in our vehicle. Check this out. Look at that, man. So this is a multi-vacuum, so you guys can actually use this as a full heavy-duty vacuum or a car vacuum. It has different extension ends. That's actually going to be great for our long seats here. Woo, check out this thing. Wow. So this is the vacuum. Press and hold the power button. So it may not be charged. We may have to, oh no, wait, no, here's the battery pack. Ha ha ha. So anyway, so yeah, we got 3 bars, 3 dots out of 4 dots, so it's almost fully charged. You have your 2 different extension ends, and you get your charging cable. It is charged with a USB, so we can charge this in our actual vehicle. You can charge it, you know, in your house, wherever you guys are using this. All right, guys, so what you want to do is you want to press and hold. Wow, that's got some power. Press it again. Holy cow, guys. That suction is insane. Like, I'm not kidding. That suction is insane. Oh, this is gonna work so good. Wow, you guys can use this in your house or your vehicle. Now, if you guys saw it, you do get alligator clamps, and not only does this work as a vacuum, but it also works as a jumper. So you can jump your vehicle. For jumping your vehicle, you connect it like this, and then you connect your positive to positive, negative to negative. And once you do that, you connect that to your battery, and then you go ahead and jump your vehicle. So guys, just like this. Now you're gonna see a green indicator light, and you're gonna be good to go. Now go ahead and try and jump your vehicle, and it should start. If you have a completely dead battery, what you wanna do is you wanna press the boost button, and that will allow it to full force drain from the battery and give it more of a direct shot to jump your dead battery. So guys, what's insane about this is you can connect the entire end. So for example, let me show you on the ground here. You can stand, and if you connect that other end, you can stand and use it as a normal vacuum cleaner. That's insane. This is probably the most coolest vacuum cleaner I've ever seen, and with most uses. All right, let's go ahead and clean. All right, guys, we got it nice and cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. So let's show you guys how this works. Whoa, that was easy. You just press that. Now, if you guys can see down in here, we got a lot of stuff. So if you twist this, you can actually take this whole reservoir house off. So we're gonna clamp this back on and twist this. So you can pull the filter out and clean the filter off, or you can just empty the reservoir. So we're just gonna empty it right here. Might have to take it out to clean it better. Overall, guys, with all the multi-uses and different functions, I absolutely love this. So this is gonna work great for us for multi-uses, but look how clean it got. I mean, it did a good job. Very nice, guys.